So Normando Associates is one of the largest science-based environmental consulting firms in the United States, serving both the private and public sectors. Founded in 1970, we are a 100% employee-owned company committed to the principles of corporate social responsibility. Normando is pleased to sponsor the Cornerstone Award and to recognize all the nominees for their leadership in sustainability. The NHBSR Cornerstone Award is presented to a company or individual that exemplifies the principles of corporate social responsibility and promotes the concepts of CSR to the greater New Hampshire business community. The cornerstone of a building is a significant first building block that is usually laid with appropriate ceremonies. NHBSR chose the name for the award with the belief that corporate social responsibility should be the foundation of every business, a basic building block or cornerstone of our economy and our society. The last year has been a challenging and an unpredictable journey for our businesses, schools, nonprofits, and families. The winner of the Cornerstone Award stood strong, moving with remarkable flexibility, supporting our communities with thoughtful care, advice, and support. We congratulate the 2021 Cornerstone Award recipient, Dartmouth Hitchcock and Dartmouth Hitchcock Health.
NHBSR's Cornerstone Award has a long history of recognizing leaders in sustainability and social responsibility. The past year has been challenging on many levels, but especially so for our hospitals and our medical professionals. Amidst all of this, Dartmouth Hitchcock has been a leader, actually truly and deeply defining what social responsibility is. They have continued to support our communities and our state throughout this healthcare crisis, and we truly appreciate the leadership that they have shown. And so we are very happy to present the 2021 Cornerstone Award to Dartmouth Hitchcock Health. And now I'd like to welcome Susan Reeves, Executive Vice President at Dartmouth Hitchcock Medical Center.
Thank you so much for this great honor. Dartmouth Hitchcock Health is proud to be a member of the New Hampshire Businesses for Social Responsibility and to share critical values about what it means to be a sustainable and socially responsible organization. Being honored as a Cornerstone Award winner is both exciting and humbling. The past 14 months have been challenging for everyone. The COVID-19 pandemic has changed so much about the way we live and about how we work and how we care for ourselves and each other. As a health system on the front lines of the pandemic, we've seen firsthand the disparities of health in our patient population. And as a health system, health equity is a critical component of our healthcare model, and we are working hard, both inside and outside our walls, to be part of the solution. As we see the light at the end of this very long tunnel, we continue to focus on sustainability and socially responsible policies throughout our health system. To us, that means a steadfast emphasis on health equity, community outreach and impact, environmental stewardship, a commitment to diversity, equity, and inclusion and belonging, and to being an anchor institution in our community. We're proud to have been signatories of NHBSR's Clean Energy Principles, Sensible Housing Principles, and most recently, a signatory on the NHBSR letter in opposition to House Bill 544. On behalf of Dartmouth Hitchcock Health, I would like to thank the New Hampshire Businesses for Social Responsibility and all of its members for the work you do to innovate, advocate, and educate on how we can be the best business stewards of social responsibility that we can be. We are proud to be your partner. Dartmouth Hitchcock Health is woven into the fabric of our communities and delivering world-class care in a thoughtful and responsible way. It's who we are. Thank you again for this wonderful honor.
And thank you, Susan, for your leadership.
Thank you.
Well, thank you, Carrie, again, and to Norma Doe Associates for sponsoring this award. And congratulations to Dartmouth Hitchcock, our 2021 Cornerstone Award recipient. We are so fortunate to have such a strong and vibrant healthcare system in our state, most importantly, with deep ties to our communities. Now I would like to welcome Allie Gold-Roberts, Director of State Policy at Ceres, our Partnership for Innovation Award sponsor. I want to mention that when we developed this award, I intentionally reached out to Allie because our partnership with Ceres has created the kind of synergy that this award strives to recognize. NHBSR could not have the advocacy impact that we've had in clean energy without Ceres. So I'm proud to have them sponsor this award. Allie?
Thank you so much, Michelle, and it's great to be with all of you this morning. I wish we were all together in the Grapponi Center, but it's nice to see you all in person online. And Ceres is so pleased to sponsor the Partnership for Innovation Award as a nonprofit organization focused on transforming the economy to build a just and sustainable future for people and the planet. Ceres understands the critical role of partnerships in driving innovation and developing solutions to the climate crisis. That's why we work hard to bring voices from the private sector to the table in support of bold policies to decarbonize the economy at the state and federal levels. And many of you on the line have joined us in those efforts. We also deeply appreciate the importance of our partnerships with other nonprofit organizations like New Hampshire BSR. Together with New Hampshire BSR, Ceres worked to develop the New Hampshire Clean Energy Principles, which now have been signed by over 120 local businesses, including one of the winners of the Partnership for Innovation Award today. And I'm sure the other one would have signed if we had NGOs as part of the businesses in that list. Partnership for Innovation Award winners are recognized for their collaborative efforts to create synergy and progress on a sustainability initiative where it might not have otherwise been possible. The partnership demonstrates a creative approach and measurable results that inspire other business leaders in New Hampshire to take action. We are proud to recognize the 2021 Partnership Award winners, a partnership that demonstrates the power of collaborative action for community impact. We applaud the efforts of the organizations being recognized to build a stable, strong, and healthy communities in the Upper Valley. Congratulations to the 2021 Partnership for Innovation Award winners, the Hanover Co-op Food Stores and Willing Hands.
NHBSR's Partnership for Innovation was launched 5 years ago when another Upper Valley business, Hypertherm, demonstrated that collaborative partnerships can create synergy for great impact. We are proud to present this award to the Hanover Co-op Food Store and Willing Hands, who have created a deep and lasting partnership to address hunger and food insecurity in the Upper Valley. These organizations and their 17-year partnership have demonstrated social responsibility is at the root of the purpose of their organizations. And we are proud to present the 2021 Partnership for Innovation Award to both organizations. I'd like to invite Paul Guidone, General Manager of the Hanover Food Co-op Stores, to accept the award.
Thank you, Michelle. I'm humbled to receive this award today on behalf of all my colleagues at the Hanover Co-op, who've been part of this initiative and collaboration effort for the past 17 years. 17 years is a long time for a partnership to work, and ours began with a very interesting story. It actually began with an employee's concern. Back in 2004, as long as that might seem, Peter Flippen, a team member in our produce department, came across this idea. Geez, we're throwing out a lot of really good food to dumpsters when we could actually be saving that food and giving it to hungry people. Just because the food did not meet our standards for freshness from a retail standpoint, it doesn't mean it wasn't good food. And there are lots of people who are hungry who could benefit from that. Peter was so convinced, he followed the courage of that conviction, that he resigned from the Hanover Co-op, but he did do something constructive with that conviction. He founded Willing Hands. So here we are, 17 years later, the business has begun, Willing Hands is up and running, and over that time, the Hanover Co-op, which became Willing Hands' first partner, has contributed to Willing Hands the better part of 4 million pounds of food. In addition to which, not only feeding our neighbors across the communities in which we serve, a study has shown that by not putting that food into the landfill, we have probably saved and reduced over 7 million pounds of carbon dioxide emissions, something that's totally awesome. You know, the Hanover Co-op, like all co-ops, are purpose-built entities to be socially responsible. So what do I mean by socially responsible? We care about our people, we care about the communities in which we operate, and we care about the environment. That's what we do, that's who we are, and that's how we've operated. At this particular point, 17 years later, this is a very, very strong partnership. And I thank Gabe for his contributions in this partnership. He has taken this partnership from strength to strength as they continue to feed hungry people and bring hope to those who are in need. Gabe, thank you. It's an honor to receive this award with you.
And now accepting the award for Willing Hands is Gabe Zorheit, Executive Director.
Thank you, Michelle. Thank you, Paul, for this award and for this vibrant partnership. Our organization was founded out of the co-op, exists because of the co-op, and continues to have an incredible supportive relationship. Not only do we pick up food multiple times a day, 358 days a year, every day the co-op is open, we also are supported by their Pennies for Change program and also in many other ways. Our organization has a three-part mission. We work to reduce food waste, we work to support healthy eating by delivering fresh, healthy, perishable, fresh fruits and vegetables, and we work to reduce hunger. We serve 80 organizations every week, delivering this food to food shelves, to soup kitchens, to senior centers, and to other places where folks in need can get the most nourishing, healthy food possible. As our organization was founded back in 2004, we've grown to include volunteer programs, we have volunteer gardens, we glean food from local farms, and we've also begun to take on food from other organizations, wholesalers, many of whom partner with the co-op, as well as other retail establishments. This is really a truly wonderful partnership to be involved with. This is a great recognition, and we really appreciate the support and all of the work. Thank you.
Well, my thanks to Ceres again for sponsoring this award, and congratulations to the Hanover Co-op food stores and Willing Hands. We hope that more companies will look to develop partnerships that benefit our communities the way yours has. As any of you who have attended our Sustainability Slams know, this is just one of many amazing programs that the Hanover Co-op food stores is engaged in. They are an incredible asset to the Upper Valley and to the state.